Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and I'm gonna show you the best deck for the Release the Spirits challenge. So as you can see, I got 10 wins, 0 losses with this deck. So basically you just defend and use the Curse and Rage spell on the opponent's tower to kill their fire spirits. This is effective when it is 2 minutes or below because the event releases 4 fire spirits instead of 2. So all you have to do is time your rage and curse on the tower. Wait, let me show you a replay. So this is the last match of the 9 wins challenge. So this is my 10th win, and I'm up against an ultimate champion player. I check his profile. So play defensively for the first minute, then once it reaches the 2 minutes mark, the event will be spawning 4 fire spirits. So this is your chance. So after you're spawning on the left side, the next one is the right side. So I timed the curse and the rage, and I get a few chip damage. So that's, then defend again. So you can use the quick cycle skeletons to eat up all the 4 fire spirits that spawn. Just place it on the middle, place it properly, and use the wizard to clear the fire spirits as well. And this is effective when you have a knight tanking or any unit tanking, because it will save the goblins from getting killed faster. See, just keep on defending while your curse and rage is not in cycle. And be careful of the golden knights. Golden knights is also broken in this challenge, but I didn't use that strategy. I just stuck with the curse and rage strategy. See, it's very effective. I'm already leading. Use the knight for the bowler. Use the skeletons to eat up the fire spirits. Rinse and repeat. Make sure to time your curse rage properly, because look at that. I used the rage so early that the last fire spirit did not turn into a goblin instantly and killed all the goblin spawn. So make sure to wait at least 1 second before you use the rage, so that all the fire spirits will become goblins like this. See, timing is the key. Defend well. All you have to do is just defend well, curse and rage, rinse, repeat. Very easy strategy. Can get it 10 wins easily. See? And this is my final curse rage for the 6 fire spirits. For the 6 fire spirits, I suggest you put the curse behind the tower, so that you can get all 6 fire spirits, and then use the rage when the fire spirits are in front of the tower. Okay, so that's it. Good luck on the challenge, guys. Thank you for watching. See, 3-1-0, 3-0, 3-0. And this is the Clan Wars. So as you can see, very solid deck. Thank you for watching. Good luck. Bye bye.